First and second grade girls basketball team, we've got the Flash. Let's welcome the Flash to the stage. Coaches Daryl Jackson and Lois Johnson. Their most Christ-like player. This girl loves basketball. Before every practice, she would tell the coaches how she worked with her dad on shooting and dribbling. But her love of basketball took a back seat to her love of Jesus. She always wanted to pray during devotional time, and she was always prepared to say the week's memory verse. She always cheered when she did not play and always had a good attitude. The most Christ-like of the Flash goes to Olivia Smith. Let's give a round of applause to the Flash. Good job, ladies.
Next up, put your hands together for the Penguins.